Hello my dear friends, today we are going to talk about Kaizen. So the first question that comes to our mind is, what is Kaizen? We can say that Kaizen is a term that refers to the ongoing or continuous improvement. Kaizen comes from two Japanese words, Kai meaning change and Zen meaning good, which all together means a good change or a change that is good. This Japanese philosophy of living or improving ourselves was first by Toyota back in the 1980s and has since been adopted by thousands of companies around the globe. The Kaizen process can be summarized down to just 4 steps, and these are as in the following order: plan, do, check, act. So now let us understand what these 4 terms really mean. First one is plan. It means to define your objective or goal and how you'll achieve it. And the second one is do. It is implementing the plan and make any changes required to ensure it works. And third one is check. It is to evaluate the results and identify opportunities for improvement. And the last one is act. It is to make adjustments based on what's found in the previous step. Now let us take an example to understand how we can apply Kaizen in our day-to-day life to achieve our goals. Suppose you want to participate in a cycling competition and you want to win it, and you think that from today on you will start practicing. This is where we make a plan. And you started to ride bicycle every day to achieve your goal of winning the race, but you realize that your speed is good in the evening time rather than in the morning because you feel sleepy in the morning and is not able to focus on cycling. And you realize that the competition is in the early morning, and in order to win you have to wake up early and ride cycle more in the morning. Here we have implemented our plan and make changes to achieve our goal. You also made sure you eat healthy and don't get sick on the day of the competition. By doing this you further increased your chances of winning by checking all the points which can lead to problems in achieving your goal. And last but not least, and the most important, is to act upon your plan to make it possible for you to achieve your goal. So that is how Kaizen works. I hope you all understood what Kaizen is. If you do, then don't forget to like the video and show your support.